Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make s'mores inside. You can either use a microwave, a oven, or an air fryer. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make s'mores in an air fryer. But I'm going to be waiting for my mom real quick. So I will see y'all in a minute. So my air fryer is on 450 and here's my mom.
Hi.
So I'm going to keep my air fryer at 450. Even while the s'mores in there. So I like burnt s'mores. What?
You.
Why?
Do you like everything burnt?
No.
Just the marshmallow?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't know if you like the
No.
graham cracker burnt as well.
No.
Okay.
Okay, but if you put the marshmallow sort of like on here without the graham cracker or anything, it'll like really puff up, but when you take it out, it'll flat all the way to the thing.
Deflate.
Yeah, it'll really up. Did you still have those marshmallows that I had? Or did you throw them away?
They're right there.
No, I mean the flat ones, the cooked flat
Oh, I
ones.
threw them away because they were nasty. Yeah.
Yeah, they're like small. They're like flat, sort of like pancakes.
And those were hard. They got hard, so you can't really save them because they don't have the same texture.
Okay, so good cheese. Okay, so you're gonna need a pan, and then you're gonna wrap it with some tin foil. And then what you're gonna do is take a graham cracker. And then you're gonna put one of them on the thing. You're gonna put one of them on there. And then you're going to take a marshmallow. And then you're just gonna stick it on there. You can make the whole s'more. I tried this earlier, but the whole s'more just fell over. So I'm just gonna do this, and then I will put it in there, and then take it out, and then do that. Huh?
Should you go ahead and add the chocolate so it melts on there?
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't do this when you're actually making the s'more, though. You don't put the chocolate.
Well, you'd want it to melt, right?
What I'm going to do is graham cracker, marshmallow, and chocolate. So I'm going to put this in the air fryer. First, I'm going to grab these. Safety first. I will not throw it in the
Don't throw it.
thingy. And there it goes. And now you can just basically watch it until it's what you like, which it basically, since there's a graham cracker, you don't really want to get it burnt.
So about how long do you think you'll leave it in there?
Zero clue. Just leave it. Well, I guess just leave it in there until maybe the marshmallow is toasty, or until the graham cracker is a little dark.
So maybe
You
start.
don't want the graham cracker to burn.
Yeah. So maybe start with like 2 minutes, probably. We'll try 2 minutes and see what happens.
I just sit here and watch it.
All right, we'll see y'all in 2 minutes.
Okay, guys. So 2 minutes has passed. I'm just gonna check it. Can you hold it up? I'm just gonna check it. Somehow the graham cracker flipped under.
What in the world?
It flipped over. I don't know how. I just.
Oh, I can't find you. Hold on.
That's right.
Wait, there it is.
It flipped.
How did it flip over?
I don't know.
Oh, you know what? I think it was top heavy. The chocolate must have done that.
So
I don't
see,
know.
we shouldn't have added the chocolate.
All right, so what are you going to do?
So what I'm going to do to get the marshmallow and the chocolate, since it might be hot, I'm going to use tongs to flip it over. Got
Well, there you go. Just leave it. Yeah.
the ooey gooey chocolate.
That's good.
Okay, this might be cooked enough, I'm guessing.
Do you want it a little bit darker?
I guess.
So that was about 2 minutes. Here, let me take this off. So maybe 2 more minutes. So a total of 4 minutes if you want it a little bit more toasty.
In here. And have an adult help you with this.
Very smart of you, Millie. Yes, very smart.
Okay, guys. So the marshmallow, or the not graham cracker, s'more is done. But just remember, have a parent help you. I have my mom.
Yes, I am here in case anything goes wrong.
You can you bring that over here?
Yeah.
The marshmallow got toasty. Right here, you can see the golden brown. Look at that chocolate. It's just like piled
Show them the toasty side. Well, you can see it, yeah.
right
See it.
here.
Yeah.
So I'm going to top it off with another graham cracker.
Oh, sorry, I put those up. I'm sorry.
No, I think I did.
No, I
I
didn't. I accidentally closed them up. I was thinking you were done.
Nope.
And what kind of graham cracker are you using? Is it
These
original
are the honey graham crackers.
honey graham crackers? I bet cinnamon graham crackers would be really good too.
Could be. You can for this one you can let it get darker like the marshmallow or something. You can let it get darker if you want. I just didn't want the graham cracker to burn.
Yeah, you
It's
can see
not
that
super
the graham
dark.
cracker was getting kind of toasty on the bottom. So I think you had it in there for what, 4 minutes total?
About 4 minutes.
At 450 degrees. All right, so now we wait to let it cool off.
I'm not gonna feel any heat from this one. I'm like feeling the graham cracker. It's not even.